Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today we're doing a grass inspired eyeliner look, and I would say on a difficulty scale this is a medium. If you know how to do your eyeliner, even if not that well, it's okay because the grass part kind of messes it up a little bit without actually messing it up. So without further ado, let's create this makeup look. I have already done my everyday makeup routine that's the base that I have on right here, and then I will try and link it up here for you if you want to watch that and recreate the base of this. So the first thing that I want to go in with is a green eyeliner, of course. So I have the NYX Epic Wear eyeliner stick in the shade EWLS 23 Emerald Cut. That looks like this. This is the only green eyeliner I have. If not, I would go in with an eyeshadow. And I think I want to keep this in the outer half. And first what I want to do is draw a not too thick of an eyeliner, but the actual line for the eyeliner first, and then we will go from there. I'm going to have to use powder because this keeps breaking off. Next, I don't know if it's what's going on or if it's just too warm here or something, but it keeps breaking off and it's annoying me and it doesn't show up that well. So don't worry, we have plans. So instead, I'm just going to take the Essence eyeshadow palette by Merve. And I'm going in with this one right here. I think that will be a good color for the green for grass. And then I will just take a small detail brush like so, and an angled brush like so, just so that I can have a little bit to work with. Now I already have a little bit of a shape here, so I can work with that. And like I said, create the line first. Now that the lines are basically drawn, what you want to do is create like little tops to create the grass. then I'm going to put on mascara, so I'm going to curl my lashes first. And then I'm taking the Maybelline The Colossal mascara that looks like this. And I'm only going to put this on my upper lashes. Now that the eyes are done, what we want to do is go ahead and put on some lips, because this is not a complete look to me. And so I'm taking the W7, the all-rounder in the shade Fling, which is this one right here, and I'm just going to line my lips. And then I'm just going to put on a lipstick, and I'm taking Technic's lipstick in the shade Pink. That's all the information I have, but it looks like this. And then I'm taking the W7, the Vitamin C Fixer setting spray that looks like this. And I'm setting the makeup. And here you have it, a grass inspired eyeliner. I think it's a little fun, a little creative, and something that is so subtle yet there, because I mean, it's there. I think this is perfect for spring summer. I wish the next eyeliner worked, but maybe I just kept it in a too warm of a space and therefore it wouldn't do what I want to do. That could be. It could be on me. It could be on next. I could have gotten a bad one. Who knows? I just know that this one was a good lip liner at one point when I used it. So it's just what it is. But I think it works out great. I think having multiple options on how to do this works great as well. And so that is everything I have for you today. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And I want to thank everybody that likes, comments, shares, watches my videos, subscribes. And if you're new here, welcome to our corner of YouTube. And with that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!